Good morning, everyone. Today is 6th of December, and I'm Shuchi Rungta presenting the morning market update. The Nifty gained 4 points over the day to close at 18,701, forming a doji candle on the daily charts. The first half of the session yesterday was dull with negative bias, testing our mentioned support zone of 18,600, whereas the second half of the markets recovered, closing near the open price. This clearly indicates that bulls step in at lower levels. The market breadth improved, whereas the advance and declines were neutral. Technically speaking, the indicators and trend setup are well placed. Support at 18,600 and 400 levels can be seen, whereas 18,800 to 900 zone acts as resistance. Overall, markets did see some consolidation in the last three trading sessions, which is good for the health of the overall trend. Metals, PSU banks, and the real estate sectors were the top gainers and showed strength throughout. The metal index is already at its life highs with fresh bullish triggers on the charts, indicating for further upside from here in the medium term after a small consolidation. Banking continues to look strong. The chemical sector has seen some volume and delivery based action yesterday. The exit polls for Gujarat elections were better than expected in favor of BJP. This also gauges the sentiments in the markets. The US indices saw some sell off yesterday post the service data release. They lost around 1.5 to 2%. FIIs were sellers in cash market, selling over 1100 crores in Indian markets. SGX Nifty is trading at 18,750 currently. Levels for the day: Nifty support will be seen at 18,600 and 18,550. Resistance 18,730 and 18,880. For Bank Nifty, support will be seen at 42,950 and 42,750. Resistance 43,400 and 43,500. Thank you.